that takes a photo. Now, if you press the button lightly, that brings up the control that allows you to slide back and forth between different controls. And of course, you have access to several one of these. So basically, if I want to change what I want to control with this slider action, all I do is slightly double tap. So look at this. So now I can go from styles to camera, I can go to zoom, I can go to my depth setting, I can go to exposure setting. If I want to use this, I press it slightly. Now I'm inside the exposure, and I can change. Again, press slightly, it remembers where you are, and now you can change the exposure, as you can see. If I want to go back to something else, again, double press lightly, swipe over, that's depth, that is zoom. Let's go in here. Now I can zoom in and zoom out with the slider, okay? Camera control right here. So when I tap on this guy, I can actually turn off the camera control button completely if I don't want it. Okay, I assume most people will want to use it, so you can make some adjustments to the firmness of the button press. So basically, if you just want a light tap for the camera to launch and take photos, you can keep it at light, and you can test the likeness by tapping here. If I press it, you see you get an animation right here, showing you that is all you have to do. That's a very light press, by the way. Or I can go to firmer and I can test that again. Now I have to really press it in to use the camera button, and then after you have set this up, let me just keep it at default. You can also change the speed of the double press. So remember, you double tap lightly to bring up the controls or the options. So you can tell the phone, I want to do my double tap very slowly or super slowly. Again, you want to play with these and set them the way you want. So that's the camera control hidden menu. I hope this video helped you. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next video.